Hi everybody, I'm Sue Allen Clayton. Thanks for checking out my channel where we learn how to read tarot one card at a time. I don't need to consult my tarot cards to guess that, since you're watching this, you're interested in learning tarot, and this channel gives you everything you need to get started. You'll find detailed videos on all 78 tarot cards, including how to read the cards in both the upright and reversed positions. You'll also find introductory videos about the tarot deck, court cards, and suits. Next, I moved on to readings, which I post every Wednesday and Friday. These readings cover a wide range of subjects, including love, money, family, work, relationships, and life decisions. There are also videos to help you become a better reader, such as how to read tarot for yourself, how to read tarot intuitively, and how to use tarot spreads. I started this channel in December 2023 because I wanted to learn tarot. However, I grew up in a very Christian household and was extremely afraid of tarot, as I was taught that any form of divination was evil. It took me several years to even psych myself up to have a reading, and then I was fascinated and hooked. I bought some cards and a few books, but never really found the time to learn how to read. I also found the cards to be very overwhelming. Fast forward to 2023 when I developed some health issues and decided to make some big changes in my life, which included learning how to read tarot. My background is as a writer, so I'm used to distilling a lot of complicated information and presenting it in an organized way. I knew that the best way for me to learn tarot was to teach it. So that's how this channel was born,